If you're seeing the Telegram error verification failed or you're getting stuck when trying to log in, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a few quick and effective ways to fix it step by step. This is especially useful if Telegram is not sending your code, if your login keeps failing, or if the app seems stuck during verification. Before we begin, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel and it only takes a second. First, let's check your existing devices. If you already have an active Telegram session on your phone, tablet, or even on the web, Telegram may send the sign-in code directly inside the app itself instead of by SMS. So open your Telegram app bar on a device where you are already signed in and look for the verification message in your chats or notifications. This is one of the most common reasons people think the code is missing, when in reality it was delivered inside Telegram. If you find the code there, use it exactly as shown and try signing in again. If that doesn't solve the issue, the next thing to check is your phone number formatting. A very common cause of verification failed errors is entering the wrong country code or including extra digits. Make sure you choose the correct country from the list before typing your number. Also, if your phone number starts with a 0, remove any extra leading zeros because Telegram usually wants the number in a clean international format. For example, you should only enter the actual number after selecting the country code, not the local formatting you might normally use when dialing manually. Double check every digit before you continue, because even one small mistake can cause the verification process to fail. Now, if you're still having trouble, try using Telegram web login instead of the desktop app. Sometimes the desktop app can have local glitches, cache issues, or session problems that prevent verification from working properly. Open your browser and go to the Telegram web version, then try signing in there. The web app often bypasses issues that happen in the installed desktop client, and it can be a much faster way to complete the login process. If the code arrives and the web version works, then the problem may be with the desktop app rather than your account. Once you log in successfully, you can later switch back to your preferred device. If you're still seeing verification failed after trying these steps, wait a few minutes and try again. Too many repeated attempts can sometimes trigger temporary limits, so giving it a little time can help. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable, because weak network conditions can interrupt the login request. So to quickly recap, check any device where you're already signed in, verify your country code and number format, and try Telegram Web if the desktop app is causing issues. These simple steps solve the problem for a lot of users without needing anything complicated. If this video helped you fix the Telegram verification failed error, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.